Hi, I'm Thiago Morelli. I'm a periodontist here in North Carolina, Implant and Periodontics. So what I would like to do here is just to show you a few tips that I feel like it's important to have a very good oral hygiene and minimize any periodontal problem. So the sonic brush is this one here. So when you turn it on, usually we don't see much of a movement. We see more like a vibration of the head of the toothbrush, which is different than the electric that rotates. So what I like about this one is that we don't have to do any actually movement with the brush. Basically what we do, we let that hitting the tooth and just turn it on and keep going slowly, like throughout the dentition, throughout the teeth, and that will do like a really good job in getting everything clear with minimal effort from our part. So one tool that I like to use to make it easier is this floss holder here. So it's something that minimizes us to play with our fingers. So this, in my opinion, allows patients to have like a proper flossing in a much easier way than holding them in the middle of our fingers and play with the really long string. Another tool that is very good is what we call the proxy brush. So there are those little tools, those little brushes that we can fit between our teeth. So I say if this can be placed between our teeth, it is actually much easier to use than a regular floss, and it is more efficient. And the last thing that I usually use every day, very easy to use, is the water pick or the water floss. Like this is a device that I like because you don't have all the wires that usually we find in a regular water pick, and has a very good pressure. So after I floss and brush my teeth, usually I use that device to finalize everything, and it's easy to use. Make sure you are you have a sink under your mouth, otherwise you're gonna have water everywhere, but it's a very easy tool to use. And that's basically what I do in terms of oral hygiene for myself every day. People sometimes ask if what type of mouthwash is the best one. The mouthwash, I always leave that to the patient's choice. Like what I recommend is to use a mouthwash that has minimal or like no alcohol. It will be my preference. If you're interested in learning more how to improve your oral hygiene or how to make it more efficient, I recommend give us a call, book an appointment with us. We also have some tips on our website, so whatever you feel comfortable, you're here to help.